Today we're going to show you how to install the Equilibar single-use valve into the permanent stainless steel cradle. Okay, this cradle will likely be mounted on your skid. You'll notice that this cradle has a flow arrow on it. It's got a gasket installed in the lower end of it. On the cap you will have an O-ring installed. Okay. The single-use body will likely come with a tube set. Imagine a tube set on it. It can only be installed one orientation because you do have a keyway here that fits into the keyway on the cradle. You can never install it upside down or backwards. Also notice that on the single-use body there is an injection molded I on the inlet and an injection molded O on the outlet. So once you place the SDO valve into the cradle, you would then install the cap. Be sure to put the barb cutouts in alignment with the barb cutouts on the blower cradle. Install your wing nuts and then refer to the I&M for torque specs.